Now I'm gonna show you how to make a zoom to one area of the screen. This is the original video. I can make a zoom, for instance, to the message in my hand. But what I want to see is this message. So what I do is I click here, and if you go to this, here you can do whatever you want. You can all the time have this message. So now you don't see my face. I can make a zoom, for instance, to the message in my hand. So I made a zoom like that. Another thing, I can fit is like normal, but what I can do is Ken Barnes, and I start here, but what I'm gonna do is end in my hand. For that, I select this box and I say I want to finish here. So now the video has some movement like this. I can make a zoom, for instance, to the message in my hand. If I want to be even closer, so I'm gonna put here and I say, okay, I want to be very close. So I'm gonna put it smaller right there. So you can play with that. And then you have a zoom. Let's see. I can make a zoom, for instance, to the message in my hand. Good.